delivered early, and the installation was seamless. The Samsung demo installer was very patient and professional and punctual. Excellent work by the Amazon. The product was undamaged with no scratches except few dust, which was very minor and understandable. The product has a little dent, however its working is excellent. Giving this review after using this refrigerator for more than 2 months. Refrigerator received was in good condition, no dents from seller Cloudtail India. Delivery was 1 day late, but that was because of rainfall in my city on the delivery date. The next day after delivery, called the Samsung customer care and same day demo was arranged. Pros: good cooling, no frost issues. Convertible functions. Cons: no light in freezer. Plastic used in big. Very good product. Liked it. I have received the fridge in little bit damaged condition. In left side of fridge there is some scratches and dents are there. There was an emergency for me that I need a refrigerator because there is a function in my house that day. I ignored that, accepts the order. I bought this refrigerator for 29 rupees, 849/ and following are my observations after using almost 8 months. Pros: the fridge I received is in excellent condition and had no damage or fault. The fridge has dark silver color on the front and sides have a textured material and a slightly different color but equally good. It's having 5-in-1 technology. I suggest to watch a few videos available on my YouTube channel Arvind Toys Review. You can make the fridge section switched on or off, and the freezer section can be switched on or off or be converted into a fridge. It's very useful feature for 2 reasons: on occasion/festivals, when we are in May. It also has digital inverter compressor. Freezer compartment also has enough storage. It also had cool pad which keeps the food cool for up to 10 hours during electricity cut-off. Ice tray is not fixed, which is a handy feature when converting the freezer into fridge. The vegetables bucket also has ample storage too. The topmost shelf has a height of 17 cm and the middle shelf has a height of 19 cm. Both shelves are made of toughened glass. However, the compartment above the vegetable zone has a height of only 13 cm and that can be a bit small. Also has good white bright LED, and these LEDs also consume less power. Has twin cooling, and after using more than 8 months, there are no food odor observed by my family. Precise control of the temperature of both compartments with the digital controller located on the door instead of an old-fashioned knob inside. Cons: the door has only 1 shelf for big bottles. The sides will be heated if it's run for longer time, though it's not a problem, it's a design. Note: Samsung technicians visited as scheduled and given brief demo and successfully installed the fridge. The technician also made some software updation. It's really a great service from Samsung. Conclusion: a very good product from Samsung, and having digital inverter compressor is an upcoming technology. The twin cooling and adjustable 5-in-1 digital setting on the front door gives this refrigerator an edge over the competition in this 300 to 350 liters category. N.B. For detailed and honest review of this fridge, please have a look of my YouTube channel Arvind Toys Review. Fantastic product from Samsung. Loads of features but hoping Samsung to stand on its promise. Refrigerator are expected to last long years. Let's see how it goes. The product is best. Received this today. Was unhappy to see a part of the product damaged. Got this refrigerator for 24,000 rupees approx on Great Indian Festival. I got 2,400 rupees discount for exchange of my old refrigerator, 2,000 rupees instant SBI discount and 1,000 rupees as Amazon Pay balance. Also I got a additional 1-year warranty on my purchase. Product aesthetics are awesome and also it's a performance beast. I got the Samsung Smart 5-in-1 convertible refrigerator RS78K cheaper. Just got this in 25,800 rupees from here. https://amazon.to/2 works perfectly fine. Saves more energy. Huge double door and a big refrigerator. Absolutely suits my small 4-member family. 324 liter of capacity. More than sufficient. The best part is, it has auto defrost that stops the ice making. You will hardly get this auto feature in any other refrigerator at this lowest price. Let's see couple of positive and negative sides of this after couple of weeks of use. Pros: 1. Fridge works great. Cooling is quite fast. 2. Looks awesome. 3. No noise. 4. Easy to operate. 5. It is very spacious. 6. Vegetable section is big enough. Cons: 1. The door has only one shelf for big bottles, which is a bit of a letdown. 2. Wheels gets damaged early. 3. Scratches can easily fall on it. 4. Unnecessary given 2 trays for eggs. 5. The space inside the fridge are not utilized properly. Fast delivery. Good product. Buy recommended. Best product but their screen is poor condition but best value for money product. Received in a good condition. First big order. Will write a second review after a month. This is the time to observe all the features. Product delivery was on time and installation was also done on the very same day. No scratches/dent. Product was nicely packed. Satisfied. Thank you Amazon. I like the working of this product. If at all it has a little more good display. Nice product. Enough capacity to cater family of 4. Fresh room is a good option provided all dairy products can be stored. Vegetables and fruit basket is really good capacity of the same. Freezer is really big. I would suggest Samsung to increase the fridge size and reduce the freezer size. As we in India don't use freezer that much but we surely have a lot to store in the fridge. Day 1. Price 28680/date of purchase 23/5/2020 delivered 29th May 2020. Installed 30th May 2020 Service was very prompt and hassle-free. Reduced a star only for a dent on the side. Not returning as I don't prefer that. Cooling is fine so far. Will update after few months. As expected bottle space sucks but I'm not too fussy about it. It is very spacious than it looks. Interior quality of good, unlike what I had read in few reviews. Plenty of space to store all your groceries and easy to operate. Storage space, design, color, features, efficiency, price, delivery within a day, installation within a day. All perfect. Received the product on time as confirmed by Amazon. Product looks good but received with a dent. Was not visible initially but under light it looks prominent. So replacement request raised and awaiting for a replacement. Good working. The refrigerator has digital inverter compressor, which is quite unique for refrigerators under 35,000 price range. There is ample amount of storage space for food items for a family of 3 to 5, with decent cooling performance. The finishing is also quite nice. The modes work as expected. The service guy arrived within the next day of delivery of the parcel for demonstration. The only two reasons for one less rating star is that there was a minor dent on the right corner of the freezer door, and there are less storage spaces for water bottles inside the fridge. Product as described and need not explain about Samsung. I bought this refrigerator for 25 rupees, 390/ after 2000 of using SBI card and 1000 cashback as Amazon Pay, and following are my observations. Pros: the piece I received had no damages, dents or scratches. Click link in description for more reviews.